what's the wattage on this thing?
So it's spec'd for 420 watts, but that I think is the theoretical max. I don't think you really ever quite get anywhere near that. Maybe get 250 watts in actuality from it.
I like the digital camo. Well, do you know the poundage on this? How heavy it is?
I'm gonna let you.
30 pounds maybe?
Maybe.
80?
No, maybe.
Well, those are flexible solar panels, so they got to be a lot lighter.
Now, do they have a fixed voltage, or the voltage has to do with the sun?
It's fixed. It's the current that has to do with the sun.
This
So
one produces AC.
no.
I'm kidding.
Oh, okay.
It's an AC solar panel. But it takes the normal regular connectors.
Yeah, the MC4s. Or not.
He's wire shy.
Yeah. Instead, I don't want to find out, right? So each of them comes off like this. You see that?
Oh, wow.
All right. And so now
I see the
this away.
connectors here. And you can lock them in like that. It's like almost like a chain, like a bicycle chain.
yeah, it's just a slide. It just latches on, right? Next one. This one's being a little difficult. There we go. And you unlock them on each one, but
I'm sure we get the point.
yeah, exactly. We show two,
And where's the part number on this thing? It's made in the USA.
somewhere there.
If somebody wants something like this. This is
This is part of the system.
fiberglass right there. This is
Yeah, you'll see it rolls up.
Wow.
The whole piece. This is part of
all right. So we put it on its face.
roll out. And this is the key to the whole thing.
Oh, it rolls up.
Rolls up.
Get the flip out of here.
Not exactly perfected the
You
mechanism.
want to hold one
yet.
end up, or do you?
Nope. But all this is one person set up, one person take down.
Reminds me how I fold my sleeping bag.
Yeah.
You need to have your left hand catch up.
I know. I haven't figured that out, but I know exactly what you mean.
Well, next year I know you'll have a battery operated one of these anyway.
So that's just the bag just for that.
Yep.
All right. I guess we get the point here.